What's up, everybody? I'm back again, and right here, sorry, we have a squirrel. It's on a bird feeder. It's just look at this. It's eating upside down. It's ridiculous. So funny. This is ridiculous.
Tired of you thinking you're Mr. Dog's applesauce.
Hello, 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 hello.
You hear me?
Come on, hang low. Hang low. There he goes. He's just eating upside down. This is ridiculous.
They saw it waiting.
Oh, now it's climbing on top of it. Come on, hang low. There he goes. This looks so funny. Oh, where'd he go? Did he leave? Oh, he left. Squirrel, why'd you leave? Wait, where'd he go? Why'd you leave? Get back up there. What is it doing? Looks like it's trying to slip and slide on the dirt. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. This is so funny.
Oh no, sorry.
Oh, there goes a bird.
Oh no, sorry. It's a bed. Oh no, feet.
There goes another bird. He just doesn't care. This squirrel is nuts. That's a big squirrel. Alright, this is the end of this little funny video.
Alright, you stay away
I
from
hope
the
you enjoyed
computer.
watching this weird squirrel eat upside down. Look at him. If you do like this video, grab a squirrel that you found outside and smash it into the like and subscribe button. But don't smash it too hard because you might kill the squirrel and you might kill the like and subscribe button. Anyways, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.